So we're going to go like this. So we're going to adjust her, but since it's this huge curve this way, I'm going to straighten out the curve. So come over this way. Good. Good. Excellent. And you can feel it's swollen right through this area. You're going to come just right. That's slow motion, but it got it. And nice.
That was slow motion.
It was. Okay, straighten the feet out. A little lift on this side. Good. Beautiful. Thoracic scoliosis with shoulder problems. Paddler has very weak on the subscapularis and latissimus dorsi when we did muscle testing. So quite a large curve in that thoracic spine. So it's right around 40-ish degree. So she's doing some scoliosis training in here. So we're going to make some adjustments this way. We're going to just adjust certain bones and so we can relieve nerve pressure and see if some of that power comes back immediately. So first thing, so the curve's going to go way over here, but we're going to do this first because you can feel spinal bones out of alignment right there. Okay, so line this side face me. Right there. And good. Now let's sit up for a moment. Have a seat here facing that way. Okay. So we're going to go like this. So we're going to adjust her, but since it's this huge curve this way, I'm going to straighten out the curve. So come over this way. Good. That way. Just one more. Right. Perfect. Good. And lie on your back. Okay, bend your knees, feet together, squeeze and push out. Good. Squeeze, push out. Good. Bring your hands right here. Just bring us up. Hold, don't let me pull down. Hold. Oh, that's doing better. Yeah. Okay. So we're just going to set that. Clunk. Feel that?
Yeah.
This is where it's pretty, it's kind of swollen right in there.
It's so tender.
Good. And you can feel it's swollen right through this area. You're going to come just right. That's slow motion. And nice.
That was slow motion.
It was. Okay, straighten the feet out. A little lift on this side. Good. Beautiful. Okay, that dropped quite a bit. Now we're going to open up your palms. And line your stomach for a second.
That was it. Oh.
Good. Okay, now let's have you sit up facing away from me.
Faster, but it's really bad.
Better. Okay. All right, so let's do the rest of the therapy.